If I ask you to pray for your neighbor, you pray for your neighbor. If I ask you to pray for the president, you pray for the president. That's exactly what you do. You don't only pray for him, you pray for his family, his entire family, for God's hand. The country, the government, the leadership, everyone in leadership politically, we need to pray for them. And we pray for the head of the state, the president himself, and his entire family. You lift up your hands wherever you are. And we're going to pray just a few minutes. It will be enough.